All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I thought this would be a really cool video to show you a little bit of the desk swag that I was able to pick up from MKBHD.com. So this is the new desk mat and one of the notebooks that he sells on the website. So if you want to buy any of these products, you can follow the link down in the description, but it's pretty simple. It's just MKBHD.com. But I wanted to update my desk mat a little bit. And when he came out with his new website and showed some of the new product, I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do a real quick, cool video for y'all. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first thing I'm gonna do is the simple notebook here. So with the notebook, it's only $7.50 on the website. So it's a very affordable notebook here. And as you see, it says Chevron Notebook, which is obviously the signature MKBHD Chevron styling here. So with this, it's 4 inches by 6 inches. So it's not a very big notebook by any means. As you can see, my hand is way bigger than it. But like I said, it's 6 inches by 4 inches. It's a mini center sewn notebook, as it says. So it's got this really nice stitching down the center of the spine here. So very good quality. It's dotted paper. So as you can see here, it's just dotted. It's not like regular notebook paper. So it's just dotted paper here. Nothing special, but like I said, it's just really, in my opinion, a really cool way to take some quick notes. You know, you have the cool MKBHD logo there. It's red, white, and black. So those signature colors for him as well. But this is a really cool desk prop. So if I'm just doing an unboxing and kind of have it just set off to the side or just kind of cut there a little bit, I think it would look really cool. So that's the main reason why I kind of got this. It's just a cool desk prop for unboxing videos. And if I just wanted to take some notes as well. So like I said, for $7.50, not a bad investment in my opinion. Now the thing that I'm super excited about is this here. So this is the fancy desk mat. So it's a big desk mat. It's a large style. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. So I'm just gonna rip it open real quick. And here we go. And let me just go ahead and move this out of the way. And let's see what we get here. So I don't know if my camera is gonna be able to get the whole thing in the picture, but guys, this thing is huge. This thing looks awesome too. And what's really cool, first impressions, just right out of the box, guys, is that it's laying completely flat. So there's no like weird creases or anything like that, which I've dealt with on some of my desk mats before. But it's just got this really awesome kind of signature look for MKBHD. So you kind of have this cool white triangular shape here, obviously kind of like mimicking the M, right? Then you have the dots. So you have the white and the reds and all that here, which I'll kind of get a little closer for you. So you can kind of see that there. So it's those white and red dots. Just a really nice grippy material here on the back. So a very nice grippy pattern. So it's a rubber back, as it says, but it's a fabric surface and it's stitched into the rubber back. It's got this black stitched edge. So as you can see here, so it's a really good quality material, guys. Like, this thing is super nice. Another thing that's really cool about this desk mat is that it is machine washable as well. So if you get it dirty and you want to wash it, just machine wash it. The instructions say just to make sure to air dry it. So don't throw it in the regular dryer, anything like that. It's really meant only to be air dried. As far as the dimensions go, so you got 35 inches across, so 35 inches long, 16 inches tall, and then just 1/8 of an inch as far as thickness goes, which obviously it's, you know, super thin. But this thing is huge. Like, this dwarfs my desk mat that I have now. But what I'm really noticing here is I'm at 16 millimeters right now with my lens. And if I zoom in just a tad bit, let's just say go to, like, I don't know, say 18, which that's right there. Now this also can act as a nice flat surface for some unboxing videos, where if I was to, you know, set that there, unbox this notebook or something like that or whatever. It's just a really nice matte black, very different shades of blacks and grays to really just make my background pop even more. And it's a nice soft material. So if I'm laying, say for example, like my phone, like my S22 here, laying it here, I'm not worrying about it hitting the screen or anything like that. It's just a nice cushiony material here. So I'm very excited about this new desk mat here and this notebook. I'm super stoked about this. So another thing that I want to point out real quick is just really how my keyboard looks here. So I have a Keychron keyboard here. So basically, like I said, I'm zoomed in to 18 millimeters, excuse me. And as you can see here, I have plenty of space. If I'm typing on here, my wrists are resting very nicely on here. I have so much space though, guys, like literally probably a hand length from top and bottom. And then if I bring my mouse over here, you know, now I have this nice smooth surface that my mouse is working on very nicely. It feels very good whenever I'm kind of just gliding it. So it's a very nice material here. So I just wanted to point that out with my keyboard on here real quick, just so that way y'all can kind of see exactly what it looks like. And then one other thing I wanted to point out is the MKBHD signature logo there. So I forgot to show that just a bit ago, but it's just a really good looking desk mat. So there you have it, guys. Now I did maybe forget to mention the desk mat is $30. So with $30 for the investment of the size of the desk mat that you're getting, it is very well worth the money, because on Amazon, you're gonna find cheapy, crappy ones for like 20 bucks. And at least you can support one of my influencers that have influenced me as far as my channel goes. And just, I wanna, you know, obviously give back in any way I can to him. And if this is just a minimal way to do it, then so be it. But this is awesome, guys. Hit that like button down below if you think that as well. Do comment and let me know if you've already picked one of these up. Let me know what your experience with it is so far as well. And then also be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. See you on the next one.